The reason we made the switch is service, service, service. Everybody has a good product, okay? ProAll's product is good or better than anything we have or have had in the past. And you combine that with the ability to talk to somebody after the sale, they still answer the phone, and they provide service. They came out and calibrated our machines, the warranty on them, and you have a service facility that all they do is work on volumetric trucks.
And that's very important to us because they care about getting our truck back in service, back out on the road so that we can pour concrete. The downtime is costly. We cannot afford downtime. So having ProAll local here, a parts center, knowledgeable techs, and people we can talk to directly, picking up the phone has been a huge advantage to us.
The other competition works on loaders, graders. They're not as knowledgeable as the service center in Keller, Texas, and we're in the right spot.
We made the switch to ProAll because of the reliability of the trucks. I've worked in the volumetric industry for about 8 years now. I like ProAll because of the hydraulic system, the cement clutch and everything is hydraulic. With the competitor, it's all chain driven and a lot more breaking chains, sprockets stripping out, things like that. A lot more downtime, and we really need these trucks up and going.
It's just amazing to me because I've driven all kinds of different volumetric trucks, and this is probably, to me, the best of all of them. The other trucks, they have all their hydraulic lines and all that sticking out, you know, and it'd be a lot harder to work on. And it just really is, because you have to go through all the hoses, and it's a mess. But the ProAlls, the way they're designed, the way they were built, everything, it's just nice, clean, easy to work on.
Computer screen that has all of the ability to put all the mix designs and able to change and being able to lock them out with passwords. Those are some of the features that are very, very important, especially when you don't want somebody to go in there and accidentally alter or misuse a design in any given way. So that's what I'm very happy with the way the ProAll is set up. Not having to time the cement calibration like you would with the old style type of mixtures that we used to have before. You know, you're able to just go ahead and go in there and plug the number in. When you get your weight, you can just, you know, pretty much push and play, and you're pretty much good to go after that. And you don't have to worry about did you hit the stopwatch at the right time, did you not hit it, and start all over. So that's one of the nice features that you know, I've seen that ProAll has made very good improvements to on their mixers.
It's just a lot easier because it's right there on the computer. If you know, I need to check my designs, if I do the calibrations on my truck, I just put everything in the computer. You know, the computer basically does everything for me and stuff, and it's just so simple. You have it all right there. Before, we'd have to calibrate. You'd have to go to a computer and all that. And here you don't. It's all in the back of your truck, and that's amazing to me.
We like the availability of being able to see exactly what was going into the mix, as far as the admixes, the water system, exactly how much powder, rock, and sand. It did a really good job of metering it out, and there was a lot of safeties built for any errors that did arise. As far as making it easier on the job, it does for the drivers, even more so for the customers. They're able to see more about what's going into their concrete, you know, as far as their moisture contents and everything else. It's been a real popular selling point for the trucks.
Local parts center is huge. I mean, these are mechanical units. There's a lot of moving parts to them, a lot of things going on with these units, and you're going to need parts, and you're going to want them fast to get up and running.
With our former competitors, the parts were way north, other states, taking 2 or 3 weeks out to get a part and having a truck down. That's a lot of downtime that we can't have in this business. With ProAll, with Parts Center, just 15 minutes away from our facility, it's great. I can go pick them up, or we can take a truck in and get it back sometimes in the same day, and that really helps us for production.
You know, it's easy to go up there, and usually they have what we need, and if not, they overnight it, and shoot, I mean, you can't beat that.
Anytime we have an issue though, they get right on top of it and make sure everything's right for us.
We stock everything here that we have been, in the last year, gaining an inventory for our ProAll parts specifically. And anything that we do not have in stock, we can get it within the next day or two. We are getting a lot of return business because we take care of them in a timely manner, get them in and out so they can get back making money like they need to be doing. We have worked on both our products and other people's products as well. And we have noticed the simplicity of working on the ProAll mixers compared to our competitors. The engineering that we have on our products is hands down a lot better. The availability of the parts, but the way that they operate are so much simple, less wear and tear the way they're engineered. There's a lot more productivity that you get out of them without doing all the maintenance and stuff that's usually the wear plates and the wear blades and bearings and stuff like that. You usually get a little bit longer time on them than we've seen on the competitors' brands. We are customer orientated here. That's what we strive to be, is number one is customer support, no matter if it's ProAll or our competitors. I mean, that's one of the most pressed issues here that I put on our staff, is to take care of our customers here in the United States. ProAll International as well. We are here for service, technical support, and all your parts needs.